In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Hotmail account, and we'll do it together in just about 5 minutes. Now, if you've decided it's time to bid farewell to your Hotmail account, rest assured that you've come to the right place. So let's jump right in and guide you through this process smoothly and efficiently. First and foremost, what you'll want to do is head over to your web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page on the Microsoft 365 website. Don't worry, you can easily find it by searching Outlook Login Microsoft 365 in your preferred search engine. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that to commence the process of accessing your account. It's important that you log into the correct account, especially if you have multiple subscriptions or users sharing the same device with different profiles. With your credentials successfully entered, you should now be taken into the familiar realm of your Outlook mail. At this juncture, what you'll want to do is click on your profile, which is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. This little icon might be a small picture or your initials if you haven't set a profile picture. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, and from here you will need to select My Microsoft Account. This step is crucial as it takes you to the central hub for your Microsoft account settings, where you can manage your subscriptions, services, and personal preferences. Once you are on the My Microsoft Account page, you'll look for a tab labeled Your Info. Clicking on this tab gives you access to view and manage all your personal details associated with your account. Here you can see various information ranging from profile picture changes to payment options. Now, to proceed with closing your account, you need to find and click on the option that says Close Account. It's significant to note that closing your account is not an action to be taken lightly, as it will terminate access to all associated services and erase your personal data, emails, and contacts stored within this account. Before you proceed, consider downloading any important data you might need in the future and inform important contacts of the change so they aren't left searching for you in the digital world. Closing an account may serve as something of a house cleaning process in the digital space, so ensure you are prepared for this transition. Thanks for sticking through this lesson. Follow these steps and you'll have your Hotmail account closed in no time. Remember, this is a significant action, so double check if this is the step you genuinely wish to take. If you have any concerns or questions regarding this process, feel free to reach out or consult additional Microsoft support resources for more assistance. Good luck and see you in the next tutorial.